I was kidnapped by my wife. This is a forced vacation.
Parang curls pero tinapay.
We're out here along Hanoi Train Street in the southern entrance, and it's currently raining. We're kind of stuck here, but we're waiting for the train to pass by. The train, they said, is about to come in 40 minutes. Out of 10, with 10 being the greatest, how are you feeling right now?
10 out of 10.
He's feeling great, guys.
I'm reaching out my hand to the sky, praying for a sign that won't lie. Every door I knock on feels cold. The city's got its stories untold. The lights are fading, shadows play. I'm running out.
So ngayon guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Divisoria ng Vietnam. Nakikita mo, pinagkaiba lang nito sa Pilipinas. Merong mga kapiyan, kainan, tsaka mas malinis lang. Para mong pinagsama yung Binondo tsaka yung Divisoria. Ganun yung itsura niya dito. Pero mas mura. Mga pagkain dito, wala pang 100. Pero sobrang sold ka na nun. Dami mo na nakakain. Ano pong masasabi?
Nag-away po kami.